Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, you watching Research Rocks, and today's video one more product unboxing, and that one is my dream shoes come to the from Skechers. I purchased these shoes yesterday and this is a fully waterproof and so many features are available, and the shoes price around 175 euro. I purchased here in Copenhagen, Denmark. So we will see unboxing of Skechers shoes. So here is my authenticate bill from the Skechers showroom, and this is the two shoes. It's easy peasy. Actually, I'm spending last 30 days to buy shoes, and finally I'm purchasing the Skechers shoes because of last almost 1 decade. Every time I'm using Skechers shoes, I have different quality, different style, and that one is a good year. Totally max protect, fully waterproof shoes is this. If we are put it here water, so this is a waterproof shoes. It's very easy to wear and it's really very lightweight shoes. Premium outdoor material they are using. This is a really amazing shoes. Premium outdoor material they are using, fully waterproof. And now I just wear in my foot, and then we can see what exactly look like after wearing the shoes. So let's check it out. Now I just simply wear these shoes. First of all, I wear socks, and I wear the shoes shorts also, but today I wear the shoes on my jeans. It's comfortable lace. If you want buy the shoes, I already put it the link in video description. You can check on Amazon also. So look at this. This is the shoes. Perfect. I really like the shoes. Back side, front. You feel after wearing, you can feel very rich. The shoes, it's really like I'm happy to spending 175 euro the shoes. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.